Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like where are you now inspired video edit on CapCut PC. It's pretty simple, but it is super duper tedious. It took me like so long to just make these like 9 frames. So I have them at like around 0.10 second each. So like here, as you can see, it's like from 4 to like 4:10. And what I did is I just basically went to the clip and I split them. And then I went to like a frame kind of, maybe you'd want it like below that. Then I just selected this and then I selected export still frame and then I exported it one by one. Once I was done, I just went to Paint and I just drew on top of them. And here I'm just going to be replacing these clips. So like I imported the pictures that I drew. Well, you can do anything you want, but I'm just going to add these in. I know they don't look the best, but that's because like I couldn't spend a lot of time on them. We have that, and then we have one last one. Basically just replace it on all of them, and that's what it should look like at the end. I know it's not perfect by all means, but that's what you can do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comments section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!